bum 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 bum. The Peter Dislike Show. Bum 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 bum. So this just in, some guy decides to buy an abandoned shooting range to look for some precious metals that he shot there years ago before it was precious, right? When lead-free bullets were all the rage. Anyways, I can kind of see a headline like that someday. But anywhere where people were shooting, people would be going there with metal detectors, right? Kind of like the Bitcoin guy who threw his hard drive into the landfill, right? This is the Peter Dislike Show. Bum 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 bum. The Peter Dislike Show. Bum 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 bum.